Hello friends, I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar. Pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. I am doing session for organized self-employment ministry and budget from my book Truth Only Trumps, which is written in 2001 with 6 unborn family, originating from Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Hindu book which has been written by Hindu, the Durga Sapsati Devi Bhagavat, the Adi Shakti Jagdamba Puran, the Varshkrit, different types of Hindu Varshkrit which we are worshipping, and the 20:5 concept of document from which the government has come up in annual budget 100 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, organized self-employment ministry in a democratic way where we can prosper and we can be organized self-employed. First and foremost, I, Amit Kumar Jha, organized self-employment ministry and budget says that we should constitutionally write that there should be right of pension, fundamental right. There should be right of pension for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month, so on. Fundamental right. Right of educational certificate in capital value, fundamental right. We should be preamble wise organized employed, we should be preamble wise organized self-employed. There should be constitutional life between 0 to 18 year and 18 to 58 year, and in that pension setup should come at 18, 32, 46 and 58 year. Our constitutional setup should be documented from the recommended members of the Mandir documents, which I am giving from Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017. From the 6th room, from there, Shiv Puran, the 12 Jyotir Mandir, the 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari, and 20 crore Aadhaar card. Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari, and 20 crore Aadhaar card of Hindu. I, Amit Kumar Jha, is trying to organize money. That is why I am doing this. Third is ISBN Puran, that is Brahma Saraswati Puran, the various book of Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, and the different Hindu stalwarts, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Syama Prasad Mukherjee, Narendra Modi, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Indira Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi, different types of Hindu stalwarts, whose ISBN book, the different all Hindu MPs book, ISBN book, that ISBN paper of Brahma Saraswati, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti and 20 crore Aadhaar card. How much? 60 crore Aadhaar card of Hindu. Then fourth one, Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Hindu ladies who has worked hard and built a civilization, the mother of Sarojini Naidu, the mother of Annie Besant, the mother of Indira Gandhi, the mother of Sushma Swaraj, these types of great ladies, mother of Pratibha Patil, these types of ladies, whose daughters have done wonders in the Hindu civilization. These Durga Sapsati documents and the Devi Bhagavat documents, Mandir 12 Mandir documents, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhuti and 20 crore Aadhaar. How much? 80 crore Aadhaar card of Hindus. Then Varshkrit, Surya Chandrama Namagrah, Dhanvantari Kumer Sanghadi Muri, Saptarishi, and different types of through different types of Hindu preachers who has we are calling in different yagyas of Hindus. These Varshkrit, Mithila Varshkrits and other Varshkrit which we are worshipping daily. 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti. Fifth rule and 20 crore Aadhaar card. How much? 100 crore Hindu Aadhaar card. Then the sixth one, government issue. Because annual budget one ministry, railway budget one ministry and organized self-employment ministry and budget which I am propagating, Amit Kumar Jha, for self-employment government job. Why? Because we will become fiscal credit per month earned and we will be promoted every 4 years in grade A, grade B, grade C, grade D according to our qualification as we goes on achieving dividend. So the democratic government 20 crore Aadhaar card, because 20 into 5 from the documents of this month is this has come by Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism, the writing of pen concept and government is, that is time husband time. So 16.66 into 6 is equal to 100%, 120 crore Aadhaar card set. We have to set the concept of Amit Kumar Jha. We have to purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps, 217 pages book. We have to understand. I have tried to write in 6 family drama. One from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle of Shiv Puran, that is Shiv Shakti Mandir. One from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle Vishnu Puran Ramayana Bhagavad Gita, that is Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir. One from the Brahma Saraswati angle, that is Brahma Saraswati law education angle. In English, Shiv Puran welfare power, Vishnu Puran Ramayana Bhagavad Gita live money and Brahma Saraswati Puran law education. Then Adi Shakti Jagadamba Puran Durga Saraswati and Devi Bhagavad, that is family and the welfare. The fifth one, Varshkrit, Surya Chandrama Navagraha Dhanvantri, Sanakadi Muni and Saptarishi, different types of the Hindu god and goddess. Truth Savior and Truth Spirit, united each Hindu god and goddess. And then fifth one, time husband time wife, that is government issue. On this basis, in democratic way, you have to understand, generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha, and automatically we will have constitutional life. A constitutional life we have made on 26 January 1950 Election Commission of India. Aadhaar card we have. We have not signed the document. We have to make the vote bank which will be directly reflected in the documents, and we will worship between 16 February to 26 February and 31st August to 11 August. Because from this aura of this document, 6 unborn document, the idol of Shiv Parvati will come from the Shiv Puran. From Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the aura of Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha will come. The aura of Brahma Saraswati Puran, that is ISBN of Vivekananda, Vinoda Bhave and different types of Hindu writers, Premchand, different types of Hindu writers, Jagdish Chand Bose, the Rabindranath Tagore, different types of books which they have written. It is Brahma Saraswati Puran, Raja Ram Mohan Rai book for the abolition of Sati Pratha. The aura will come Brahma Saraswati, Veena Pustak Dharani, the Brahma, Guruda Brahma, that Brahma Saraswati idol will come. We will worship. Then Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the Trinetra goddess, the Adi Shakti Durga, Bhavani, Kali, these types of goddess. The aura will come, and from that Mandir document aura, that Mandir document aura will generate. We will worship that. Then Varshkrit, the Surya Chandrama Navagraha Dhanvantri and different types of God, the idol will come. And the government issue, the Shok Stambh, 16.66 into 6. Automatically we will have constitutional life and we will all be organized self-employed ministry. What will happen? Per month fiscal credit salary will come. Per month fiscal credit salary will give organized work. We have to understand. We will respect our seniors. The organized self-employment ministry budget has 5 types of seniors. 18 years seniors, 32 years senior, 46 years seniors and 58 years seniors. And then after that, retirement seniors. And we will do our work. Because I am trying to explain that in constitutional life, in democratic manner, if we will sign the documents, the document generated by me from my 6th room in Shardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, if we will look from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes and Governor House eyes in a democratic manner, in a working manner, we have to work. 130 crore population is there. We have to generate work. The document for working is coming out from these books, because our ancestors has made 1175 crore Hindu mandirs. 175 crore Hindu mandir of Shiv Shakti, 175 crore Hindu mandir of Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna, the 175 crore mandir of Brahma Saraswati ISBN, which is written in different libraries of Hindu, and 175 crore mandirs of Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat, and 175 crore mandir of Varshkrit, the ISBN, different types of Varshkrit, because all Hindus have different types of Varshkrit. In all 29 states, 16 union territories, everyone has their own Varshkrit, everyone has their own style. But nationally and on the state level, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, welfare, life, law. This is the supreme head. And the Varshkrit god, Surya Chandrama, these types of god in Varshkrit, they are the supreme. And the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the mightiest of the mightiest Jagdamba is there. That we have to understand. And government is there always. Election Commission of India, State Election Commission of India is present in every state. All Vidhan Sabha and the Parliament of India follow the rules and regulations. We will make the documents. We, organized self-employed, will sign the documents. Every day we will worship. The 6th room where we are seeing Shiv Puran, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari, the 12 Jyotirlinga and 12 Jyotir Jagdamba, Parvati, and the 20 crore Aadhaar card. The work is coming for us in the document form. We will work. Our political brothers will also follow the equilibrium point of 30,000 above and 30,000 below. Similarly, from the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita, the 12 Jyotir Mandir, 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari, 20 crore Aadhaar card in the document form. The work is coming. What we have to do? 20 crore Aadhaar card, work is coming, document is being formed. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House angle. And we will sign and we will work according to that. Because that is coming from the Vaikuntha. It is coming, Shiv Puran is coming from the Kailas Dham. Then Brahma Saraswati Puran, the IUCN, the Hindus' libraries all over India, the books they have written by their teachings, what their parent has taught, what they have learned in their life, what knowledge they have got from the subject, that ISBN Puran, 12 Jyotir book, the Brahma Saraswati Puran, and the different types of books, history, geography, science, physics, chemistry, these types of book, IIT toppers book, the principal book of IITs, scientist, Hindu scientist book of agricultural scientists, by which Subramaniam Swami has written the Green Revolution, the Agni PSLV and these type of scientists book, which has generated scientist culture. Our Rakesh Sharma has gone to the space, that type of book. So ISBN books, on that basis 20 crore work is coming. We will sign in the documents, and what will happen? The work will be generated from the law education. Fourth is the Adi Shakti Jagdamba, the mother of the mother who has served the humanity. The ladies like Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Sushma Swaraj, Sitaramana, finance minister just now, Chanda Kochar, different types of ladies who has come, who is serving the humanity of Hindus, these types of ladies. Mother
Mother Goddess Durga Sapsati and Devi Bhagwat. 12 Jyotirmandir, 12 Banarsi sari, 12 dhotis, 20 crore Aadhaar card. Work is coming. What we have to do? We have to sign. We have to work according to the organized self-employment. The politician understand this is the vote of the mother. Then, fifth one, that is Varshkrit, Surya, Chandrama, Navagrah, Dhanva, Sankadi, Muni, Saptarishi, different types of Dhruv, different types of the Hindu god and goddess. Everywhere, every 10 kilometer, every Hindus have different Varshkrit. But the father is same. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba, different Varshkrit, Surya, Chandrama, Suryadipans Devta. All our father are same. The 12 Jyotir ISBN Varshkrit by which we will generate the work of organized self-employment ministry. We will document ourselves. We will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and Governor House angle and from the vote bank angle, because we have to generate political vote also and industrial work also and the educational work also and the family work also and the truth work also and the government work also. So how many types of work are generated? 6 unborn work. And we will make in the eye of 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan eye into 6 house. Shiv Shakti house, Vishnu Lakshmi house, Brahma Saraswati house, Adi Shakti Jagdamba house, each united Hindu worship God and goddess house and the government 20 into 5 generated from this document. Government is rules. Our principle will be set on right of pension, fundamental right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain caste, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right, direct link to ministry and budget, preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed, constitutional life, documented life, the mandir, 12 mandir, which ideal we will worship between 16th February to 26th February and from 31st August to the 11th September in the ideal form. Work will be generated and we will go 18, 32, 46 and 58 year and then retirement. In a democratic way, our 750 MP brothers and 4,000 MLAs of different political party will understand what work our self-employed brothers and sisters are doing, which Amit Kumar Jha has told to them. Self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit, showing to certain ministry, which is under the control of the Parliament of India, indirectly under the control of political party, PMO, CMO, Prime Minister of India and Chief Minister of India, and the MPs and MLA and the political parties. Vote bank. We will become vote bank. They will also be our brothers and sisters, and according to that, the work will be generated. And the work will be generated, we will become self-employed government job. We will have double work. One in the private sector, our industry will. When we are putting in Shardapur, Lonaru, Darbhanga, Bihar, 6 room, Shiv Purana, Vishnu Purana, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita in 2nd room, 3rd room, Brahma Saraswati Puran, ISBN Puran, and Adi Durga Sapsati in 4th room, and Varshkrit in 5th room, and 6th room, the governmentation. 2020 Aadhaar card. What is that? The work. The vote bank. Vote bank of Shiv Puran, the vote bank of Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, the vote bank of ISBN. The Vivekananda, Dayanand Saraswati, the stalwarts of Hindus who have worked hard, the IITians, the principal professors of IITians, how they take the class. 1 hour 30-minute class they are taking directly and generating IITians, engineers, the IMA, the second lieutenant lecturers who are giving the lectures to the second lieutenants, how they generate second lieutenant. After that they become second lieutenant. These types of book which influence the toppers of the toppers. But yes, he is knowing better than me. This is the control of the teacher. This is the control of the people. How a teacher earn the respect, because the lecture they are saying, when the lectures are spoken by these types of teacher, the student understand my teacher is knowing more than me. I have to learn from him. And when we learn from that, then what happened? The work is generated. This is what being developed in organized self-employment ministry and budget. So when we are putting 20 crore Aadhaar card in the 6 unborn family and saying from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I and from the Governor House in democratic manner, what we are saying, constitutionally, our father and mother has given us this legacy of Hinduism, the democracy, democratic credential from the ancient time. And by that, we understand we are brothers and sisters, equality, liberty and fraternity. What we are generating, the political work of the MP and MLAs, the industrial work of our industrial people, the educational work of an educationist. Someone has given Narendranath that lecture, then only Narendranath was able to become Vivekananda and go and went to Chicago and Philadelphia and gave the speech on Hinduism. Was it possible without the teacher who has given him big lectures? Someone gave the lecture to these types of students when they were in age of 10, 12, 15. The great parents, the great teachers, the student like Dayanand Saraswati, the student like Rabindranath Tagore. At some time they were also student. Then he became the mentor of Shanti Niketan. He got Nobel Prize in 1913, Rabindranath Tagore. We have to understand this. These types of work, 20 crore Aadhaar card. Because the infatuation of people is not under control. But regular income is required for the society. We have to understand that the regular income is the requirement of today. And this is possible by self-employment, government job generation. The documented work which we are doing in the society. When we will do this thing in the society, then only you will understand we are carrying the legacy of 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis of Shiv Puran, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis of Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita and the Vishnu Puran, the 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti of Brahma Puran, the different type of ISBN authors who has written the book. We are carrying the legacies of the Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagavad, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti. We are carrying the legacy of the Varshkit, different Varshkit, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis. And we are carrying the legacies of the Constitution of India, 12 Banarsi saris and 12 dhotis. How many it is? 72 Banarsi saris and 72 dhotis. And then we are saying in the Rashtrapati Bhavan eyes from this angle. How many Rashtrapati Bhavan? 6. And then we are making into house in organized self-employment ministry. How many angle of boat is being prepared? 6 angle of boat is prepared. And what will happen? The constitutional life will generate. We will never face problem. If we will understand, if we will give space for the opposition, what will happen? Society will develop. We have to give space for the work in the constitution. And we should take regular income by signing the document. Optional work we can do in the organized self-employment ministry and double work we can do in the private sector. And guarantee regular income will come. And what will happen? We will be organized. 130 crore population will settle like this only. We have to understand organized self-employment ministry and budget. This is the requirement of 1950. This is the requirement of 2021. I have written in 2001, 31st August 2001. Then onwards I have been writing this. Then from family angle also I wrote in 2002, 16 February. That is why I put 2 verses for this document. 16 February to 26 February in the family ways, and 31st August to 11th September in the bachelor way. When we are unmarried, immense energy we have. We want to control this world, but we have to understand the reality. Whether we are able to go 30,000 above earner or not. We have to take support of the documents. Someone is present there in the high level. We have to listen to him. We have to obey him. This is document. This is constitutional work. If we will understand this, we will be able to generate trust in Amit Kumar Jha's speech. We will able to generate trust in the documents. And we will able to generate work in the organized self-employment ministry and budget. Time has come. The population of India is the weakness of India. We have to change in the strength of India. We have to make 6 houses. The vote bank houses of Shiv Shakti, the vote bank of Vishnu Lakshmi, the vote bank of Brahma Saraswati, vote bank of Adi Shakti, Parashakti Jagdamba, the vote bank of Varshkin God and Goddess, the vote bank of governments, and unite it into one. In a democratic manner, we have to imagine from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, from the governor house angle in the state, that we can generate work for my brothers and sisters. If we will sign the documents, if we will become vote bank of the parliamentarian is also our guardian, and if they will also listen us, because the vote will be in our hand. After 5 years, we will give vote to them. Mutually, we will understand the constitutional rights, the ministry work. And what will happen? Our each and every people will be employed. Our aim will be to go above 30,000 above, which is a difficult task, because 30% of the people only reach above 30,000 per month earner. If you will see the income tax record of 1947 to 2001, only 30% of the people are able to reach above 30,000 per month earner income tax range. We move in this society. That is why job security and self-employment government job system is required. You have to purchase this book, Truth Only Trumps. You have to call Amit Kumar Jha 63973601717 for purchasing this book, Truth Only Trumps. Yes, I want to purchase this book. I want to sell this book, Truth Only Trumps. I want to propagate this idea. This is a melodrama of 6 Hindu family, written in 2001. We want to make organized self-employment ministry and budget, which will generate employment to one and all. Employment can be generated by the help of Parliament and Vidhan Sabha. The guaranteed signing by the documents which I have made in Sardapur, Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 63973601717. The documents will generate the work, because your trust and faith will give the vote bank to the parliamentarian. They will understand what is the equilibrium point of employment in 130 crore citizen of India, which is having Aadhaar card. We have to make them reach above 30,000 above. Everyone, we all are knowing above 30,000 per month going is difficult task. Then in that circumstances, when we mutually respect the 20 crore Aadhaar card work of politician, and 20 crore Aadhaar card work of industrialist, and 20 crore Aadhaar card work of the educationist, and 20 crore Aadhaar card work of the family woman, and 20 crore Aadhaar card of the truth, and 20 crore Aadhaar card of the government. What will happen? 120 crore Aadhaar card work is already there. We are respecting in Amit Kumar Jha way.
the work of each other. We are knowing that we have family relations in different Aadhaar card, because Aadhaar card is having marriage certificate also, because the 20 crore Aadhaar card which I am telling of Shiv Puran and Vishnu Puran, there is marriage certificate, because someone is from this family is married to that family, and that family is married to that family. That means from the sixth family all are married to each other. So what does this mean? It means that we have to understand that the system by which we are trying to propagate the various types of work, by which we are having the various types of the drama, that is our life. We have to understand that we can make organized self-employment ministry. It is in our hand. It is in our hand. I am trying to explain that organized self-employment ministry is a requirement of today. If constitutionally, by the documents of Amit Kumar Jha, the 1212 documents of Sikhs, 1212 mandirs which I am recommending, and we all sign in front of the parliamentarians, we are graduate, we are postgraduate, we are working in different fields. If we generate trust and faith that yes, this is our house, 6 houses we have, it is our responsibility, and we will understand our fundamental duties, our parliamentarians will also be proud of us. We have developed, we have understood Amit Kumar Jha concept. The work can be generated, and automatically fiscal credit salary will come by the Parliamentary Act of Organized Self-Employment Ministry and Budget from the Parliament by becoming money bill in the Parliament, and in Rajya Sabha it will be passed in 14 days, and President will sign, and automatically state government will also sign, and self-employment government system will generate in all over India. But for that we have to develop trust, faith, and the documents signature we have to do. Every 5 years we have the voting rights. We can change the government, but we have to understand political path is different. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was Prime Minister, at that time also Ramwad was there, and when Lal Krishna Advani and Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister, at that time also Ramwad there. But in 53 years, what changes took place in India? The idealistic approach changed into Hindu. One section of society was crying for the employment. I, Amit Kumar Jha, was under that section, so I tried to emphasize on employment. The result is organized self-employment ministry. That is why I am propagating for the generation of employment. Those who are comfortable in employment, they have options, but those who are uncomfortable in employment, they have to support, they have to generate public opinion and tell to the employment, tell to the documents has to be signatured, and that will keep the record in the parliament. An organized self-employment ministry budget bill will generate the regular employment system in the society from 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years, and pension will come by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing. We have already finance commission made by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Every 5-year finance commission is giving report, but it never gives report for the self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit score finance commission, because we have not signed the documents. That is what I am trying to generate in you. That is what I want to generate from you. If you will sign the document, the 12 Jyotirlinga, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhotis,
from which we have been the sons and daughters. Shiv Puran, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Durga Saptati, Varshkrit, Constitution of India. We are also sons of this. We can be responsible citizen also. What is written in the documents we can easily read. After 5 years, we can ask the questionnaire to the parliament also. We can make some constitution amendment also. Because at that time, 33 crore people were there in the constitution. The idealistic approach was loaded. Today, employment generation is required. The employment is big pressure on our head. Every time, every other day, employment pressure is on our head. We can solve this problem by the document system. In a document, and we can generate the motivation by every 6 months worshipping this. 16 February to 26 February worshipping for the employment in 6 form of Hindu goddess, and 31st August to 11th September. 6 god and goddess, which is coming from Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Pranam, Durga Saptati, Varshkrit, and government communities. And what will happen? Regular income is regularly coming. Parliament will also have 3 budget system. Annual budget, 108 ministry every year in February it is presenting this. Railway budget, 1 ministry every February. Every year it is presenting. It is not presenting the documented budget of organized self-employment ministry and budget, which is required by your effort, truth only trumps purchasing. Accepting this employment generation program made by Amit Kumar Jha, the 6-room concept of the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Brahma Saraswati Puran, Durga Saptati, Varshkrit, and government history, and the Aadhaar card laboratory in democracy of 6-room, which is showing the work of a politician, vote bank of a politician, a democratic politician, the vote bank of an industrialist, a devoted industrialist, a vote bank of educationist who has made PSLV, who has made Pokhran, who has made Green Revolution, these types of educationists who has made Covishield in India, these types of work ISB and Puran, and the Durga Saptati, 20 crore, the family works, the mother who has propagated these types of IS officer, IIT and second lieutenant, these types of family, whose sons and daughters are great cricketers, great sportsmen, great Hindus. The Varshkrit, the truthful pujas, 20 crore work, and the government, every 5-year election is done. This is the work of the teaching of the father and mother, who has always kept faith in constitution. We have to understand, and we can generate our work in this only. From our senior, we can listen, we will get fiscal credit salary. Fiscal credit salary is half pension. Automatically, we will have self-employment government job at home. From village to city to metropolitan and to New Delhi and Mumbai, we will be attached. By organized self-employment ministry and budget, we can self-transfer from one state to other. Our whole family member will be self-employed government job servant. We will not face difficulty in this. We have to generate trust in organized self-employment ministry. We have to purchase truth only terms. We have to understand Amit Kumar Jha. We have to recommend organized self-employment lectures to each and every one, those who are interested in making organized self-employment ministry. We have to pass this organized self-employment ministry budget formation sessions to each and every person who is respected members of the society, who wants to do something for the society, who has the capability to do something for the society, who love this society, who love truth, non-violence, who love peaceful affairs, who love generation of employment, who love earning, who wants to go above 30,000 above per month, who love luxurious life in truthful, non-violence way, peaceful way. We have to understand Amit Kumar Jha. We have to understand Amit tourism. We have to purchase truth only terms. We have to make organized self-employment ministry and budget. We have to listen the sessions of Amit Kumar Jha. Thank you.